How to change the belt on a Vax Air upright vacuum cleaner. It doesn't matter if you have the pet version, the steerable version, or the stretch version. They're all pretty much the same. We're going to start by tilting the vacuum cleaner on its side and undoing these 3 screws. Now we'll lift off the end cap and you'll see inside that my belt has snapped. You need to remove the belt and the 3 parts that keep the brush bar in place. Put them to one side with the screws, keep them safe. Pull out the brush bar, and now we just need to make sure that both ends of the brush bar are spinning freely. If these have seized up, it could be the cause of our snap belt. Whilst we've got the brush out, it's a good time to start cleaning it. Just use some multi-purpose spray, a paintbrush and a toothbrush, and a wet wipe as well. And that looks a bit cleaner. Now this square part on the end of your brush bar, we need to get that into this part in a little bit, just remember that. First step though, is to put the collar around the brush bar. The biggest bit at the top, the smallest bit at the bottom, and then just lower it all in together. Once you have done this, it's time to make sure that the square part at the bottom of the brush bar is in place. You'll know when it's in place, it just feels right. Once you've got this in place, it's time to change the belt. Some have a toothed belt, this one has a grooved one. Please check yours before buying on the link in the description. You put it around the motor first and then put it around the brush bar end. Carefully holding everything in place, you can now turn the brush bar with your thumb or any means possible and it will all kind of fit together. Don't worry, the belt will be a little bit slack for now, but it just needs to look like this. We're going to refit this part now and you will notice there's a little arrow that needs to point to the front. We need to hold the brush bar to give the belt a little bit of tension, and then this just fits into place as it was before. Okay, now just check that everything's spinning correctly. Should be really easy to spin. Make sure the end's in the square still. Now we can just replace the end cap. Put the 3 screws back in. And that is the job complete. Happy vacuuming. I do hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. There are some other Vax help videos. This one is especially useful if you wanted to access your filters.